Here I have HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable audio control, camera audio control I mean, on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the audio control, so you can set it to say cheese or just speak out loudly. So let's set it to cheese, and now let's try this feature out, like cheese, cheese, cheese. I don't know, maybe I can speak English. Why don't you take photos? Cheese, 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 cheese. Wow, nice. Okay, it took one photo at last. Well, as you can see on this device, this feature works so let's just speak out loudly and try back. Oh, you see, now it works properly. You just have to like scream with all your voice, and that's how you can enable audio control. Super feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.